Liver.
Tissue. Anong klaseng tissue? Support ba siya? Glandular ba siya? Oh, it's glandular. So, tumor arising from glandular structures are called adenocarcinoma. Adenocarcinoma. Diba? Pero pag sinabing carcinoma, anong origin? Origin. Glandular. Diba? Diba exocrine gland ang liver? So these are the normal or the non-cancerous hepatocytes. They are arranged in cords, diba? Cord-like arrangement, radiating from a central vein. Yon. Ngayon, itong area na to, meron pa ba central vein? Wala na. But the tumor cells are arranged also in cords, sometimes trabecula. Pag sinabing trabecula, yung dugtong-dugtong na mga parang mga broad structures. Okay. And when you say insular, island naman. No? So, yon. So, again, characteristic of malignancy, loss of normal architecture of the glands dito. And, ito, ano to? Yung cellular atypia. Okay? So, is it clear? Maliwanag yan, ha? Hepato, cellular carcinoma. Okay. You can still sometimes recognize the polygonal appearance, no? Pero napaka-atypical na ng mga cells as compared to this normal looking. Okay. So, na-enumerate na natin ang risk factor, dito na tatanong.